Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Richard. And you know what? Today I want to go to Yogyakarta and I want to take a train to get there. So first I have to print out my boarding pass in this machine. Next, after I get my boarding pass, I have to come over here to register for the PCR test, and also I have to show my ID card, then do the PCR test. After I register right here, I have to go over there to do the test. But if I have completed all the requirements, then I can just keep going. Okay, after that I have to check myself into the check-in counter over here. I need to show all my documents to this officer, then he will let me into the waiting room. Hello guys, after the officer lets me in, now I am in the waiting room. So I need to stay right here. So yeah, I need to sit actually right here and wait for the train. Okay, so stay tuned, yeah guys. Finally the train is here guys, so now follow me to get on the train. Here I am on the train and this is my chair. I sit on my chair and I can wait to see Yogyakarta. Alright guys, now here I am in Yogyakarta, so let's get off from this train. Now I am getting off from the train and hello Yogyakarta, here I am. Thank you so much guys for joining with my trip today. I'll see you in the next trip. Hello guys, it's me, Mr. Richard, and today I want to go to Jakarta and I want to take an airplane to get there. So let's go. Right now I am at the airport and I am walking toward the airplane right now. Let me show you the airplane. Can you see it? Okay, and right now I am ready to get on the plane. Alright, I am getting on the plane. Okay, here I am on the plane. And you know what? This is my chair. And I am going to sit on my chair right here. Okay, good. Okay, so guys, actually I have arrived in Jakarta and I am going to get off from this plane. So I am getting off right now from this plane. Oh yeah, I would like to say thank you so much for joining with my trip today, and I will see you in the next trip. Goodbye everyone.